Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited for today's video. I have a special guest, my daughter. Tell them your name. What's your name?
Nana.
My daughter Nala. She is helping me in this video. We are doing the Miss LoLa Mommy and Me unboxing. So before we get into today's video, I would love to welcome all of our new subscribers. We are so close to 600 subscribers. I feel like I just did my 500 subscriber giveaway, so I'm really excited for all of you that have come along onto the TJI family. We are excited to have you a part of this family. If you didn't know, my channel is all about deals, decor, DIYs, fashion, and women empowerment. So are you really excited?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, guys. So I'll see you in a minute. So like I mentioned before, I'm going to be doing a lot of mommy and me, whether it's me and my daughter, me and my son, and family, on a budget, fashion looks, and different things like that. And so I'm really excited about that. This is like the first one I'm doing. So yeah, I definitely love these items. Actually, I found out about this company. I think I knew about the company, but I never really purchased anything from there. Yeah.
Goodbye.
No, not yet. So I've never purchased anything really from there, but on Instagram I saw a promotion for things being back in stock, and by the picture I had to click on it, and I fell in love. So I purchased everything super quickly because everything sells out so quickly. Even when I go back now, like her sizes are already sold out. So I just wanted to throw this video out there right now so you guys can purchase what you need in your daughter's sizes, in your sizes. My sizes and two of the styles were sold out, so I'm on the email list to when they get back in stock that I can purchase them. So when they come in, they the adult ones come in the Miss LoLa bags. I'm glad they don't just throw the shoes in like just the plastic and throw them in a box, because the box is just a plain brown box. I'm not going to show that because like my address and everything is on there, but it comes with the bags. It's like a duster bag, and they also come with their Lola Babe cards. And with all their information on the back. My daughter is just throwing them in the box. So it also comes with a exchange card. I don't know if you guys will be able to see this on my camera. It has all the exchange and return policies here, as well as on the back. You can decide if you want you want to do it as a return and exchange, get a full refund, what's wrong with the items, and your order number. I think this is really cute and different. So yeah, I love little things like this when it comes into the package. Got it. And they come in these cute little bags. Okay, show it. It's so pretty, right?
Yes.
You like them?
Yes.
Right. They are so pretty. So they are like the unicorn. They're like the unicorn slippers. These actually sold out in the adults, so I'm just waiting for them to come in on my size. But these are so cute, and they have like the hard bottom. I always see people wearing these like outside. I doubt if I will wear mine, but because my daughter is so young, I don't know. Right? I may have her wear hers outdoors sometimes with a cute outfit, but other than that, mine would be more so inside. Okay guys, and so I also picked up the black ones for her because I like these. Now I like these, she will be able to, you know, wear out. They are so cute. So cute. Right, Nana?
Yes.
You like them?
Yeah.
You sure? You're so silly, girl. So this next pair is the pair that they had in both of our sizes available. So I picked this one up. Yeah.
Mommy.
Look. These are so cute. There's like a pretty like light tan color. And it has the elastic right there. And these are like really, you know, sturdy.
Oh, what?
And they definitely remind you of the UGG slippers. For my daughter, I love them, but I didn't want to purchase those yet for her, only because she is growing and growing and growing so quickly. So they are a good penny for shoes for her, so I didn't want to do that. So for like the mommy and me items, I definitely was excited to see these in definitely a cheaper form, but I'll definitely order the Uggs for me. But because she is in a growing stage, I just didn't feel like it was necessary. But these are really, really cute. Right, Nala?
Yes.
They're really cute and they're really sturdy. I wouldn't say they are super soft. That's the only reason I'll probably let her wear them out, because they're not like really squishy. These are more like a shoe. So I'll definitely probably like have her, like I said, she can wear these out, especially this pair and the black pair. But yeah. So guys, I just wanted to do a quick overview of the shoes, the baby girl slippers with the 30% off Miss LoLa coupon code. It was just under $17. They were $16 and some change. I can't remember the exact change they were, but yeah, so I thought they were really affordable, especially comparable to the UGG shoes, which I may not order for her, but I will definitely order for myself. Yeah, so they're really cute. They come in a different assortment of colors. They have a leopard print, they have like a pretty light pink, they have white. So I'm going to order her more depending on how she does with these pairs. Yeah, so I really love the shoes. They came really, really quick. I would say in about 7 days or less. It could have been like 5 days. They came really quick, and I'm very pleased with my purchase. So if you're interested, please go to the Miss LoLa site and order yours today, because they sell out very, very, very quickly. So guys, thank you for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I can't wait for you guys to see all the other mommy and me, whether it's for me and my daughter, me and my son, or family items that are coming up. So if you enjoy all those types of videos, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you a part of the TJI family. So until next time, bye guys. Say bye-bye. Good job, baby. Good job.